Okay guys, I ran the aerator for a little bit to heat it up. It's not real hard to change oil on these things either. First thing I do is, I don't know if I can get that with my finger. Yeah, I can get it loose. I take out the plug here. This is where you fill it at. One on each side. I usually fill from the other side. Yep, I kind of ran out. Ran out a little bit on me there, guys. So, then I usually take my extension like this. And loosen it up a little bit. Easy peasy, squeezy easy. I ran the aerator a little bit to heat, thicken up the, get the oil hot, because it tends to drain better when it's hot. And all the sediment comes out with it. Yeah, see how that drain. That helps drain a little bit. Take the cap off. There you go. Yeah, pretty good without that help. I will also grease it. There's not too many grease points on this thing that I know of. Ah! I dropped the plug, or the cap to the plug anyway. There we go. Oops, there's the nut. I'm trying to make a mess, keep from getting a mess all over my driveway, people. But I always make a mess anyway. Man. Good luck, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Left the camera running and forgot the oil, my rags, my towels. So, I made a little bit of a miss, nothing major though. I don't fill from that hole there. I fill from the one on the back side here. Because it works so much easier than the front one. There's no dipstick on this one. These Briggs & Strattons don't put dipsticks on, like the Hondas do and the Kawasaki's. It's just the way they designed them, people. I gotta find my funnel. Be right back. I got my great big long funnel. Take you over here. And the hole is right down there. So you can see the hole down there. It is right there where I put the funnel at. So I just put in 10W30. Some people put in straight 30 weight, 40 weight. The manual calls for 10W40, 30 oil, so that's what I put in. Since I have no dipstick, I just pour it in. I forgot to check the manual, see the how much oil it takes. And then you just do this. Nope, ain't full yet. That's all you have to do. Look at the hole. I think it takes just about a quart. Not quite, almost. I'm making a mist down there with oil. There's also a drain plug on this side if you so choose. But then you can't get the oil out. You can use a little bit more, just about a full quart. What I didn't do is make sure I got the front one on tight. It's on tight. And let me check here. She looks like she's full. You can look right down there. Right there. There's no filter on this one. So there's the oil change, spark plug change. She runs good, she's idling good. So what she really needs is a bath, which now I got the oil change on it, I will give her a bath. So, not today, but here soon she'll get a bath. I got oil all over the drum, all over my mower here, which will rub off eventually when I go do a few lawns. A little oil won't hurt them any. And to tell you the truth, I don't know where all the... I know I got one grease dirt here. I got one in between each one of the tines, if I remember right. Yeah, in between each one of the tines there's a grease dirt. Before I did those, I'm gonna give it a bath. I don't know how much oil gas I got in this. I don't winterize my mowers or any of my equipment because I figure, you know, you talk to one mechanic, says, oh, you should run it, you should take the oil out, shut the oil off, or shut the gas off, run it dry. One guy says, oh no, you do that, you risk getting corrosion. Well, the other guy said, well, you don't do that, then you'll get gumming up in your engines. And the gas nowadays, it wasn't like it was 40 years ago. Gas today is much more refined and stuff like that, so you know. But that's all it is to, that's real simple. Quick oil change. That oil down there is a little bit dirty. Like I said, not that hard. Oil change on Orion, lawn, air, what is that, 4, easy steer technology with a Briggs & Stratton, I don't know what size motor it has on it. Briggs & Stratton 9 horsepower 205cc motor. It's Orion, Briggs & Stratton. And you got some people say Briggs & Strattons are lousy mowers. I've had Briggs & Strattons on aerators. I've had them on mowers before Kawasaki got big and Honda got big. They're all Briggs & Stratton. Now Kohler's making a comeback. So American-made mowers engines are making a comeback. Briggs & Stratton's one of them. I just wish there's an easier way to fill the oil tank, or check the oil with a dipstick like the Kawasaki's and the other mowers have. Anyway, that's it. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think. I might have been a little long-winded on this, but you got to see the oil drain, me putting in a spark plug, getting grease and oil everywhere. I will grease it up after I take it to the car wash. Talk to you later. Bye.